What the hell are you talking?
All right, look, just try to remember how you felt when you were in love, and think about that when you're playing the scene.
Okay. I think I can do that. Yeah, okay, there's this party scene coming up, and Olivia and her husband are there, and all Drake wants to do is grab her and kiss her, but he can't. And that makes me think about all those times I wanted to grab you and kiss you, but you didn't know, so I just said everything was cool, but really it was killing me.